You're probably using AI wrong. Here's how to make it your smartest teammate instead of just a faster intern. This isn't another AI life hack video. These are the real workflows that people are quietly using to think clearer and move faster. Welcome to our AI at Work series. Over the last couple of months, I've had some great conversations with companies about AI and how they're starting to use it in their day-to-day work. What's clear, it's not just about saving time. It's about thinking better, moving faster, and making clear decisions. But that only happens when you focus on the right use cases, the ones grounded in real workflows and not just hype. That's why we're launching this AI at Work series, with real practical tips for you to supercharge your productivity. Today, you'll get 3 practical use cases, each one showing how AI can act like a teammate, helping you brainstorm, plan, write, or make sense of something complex. You don't need to try everything at once, just pick the one that fits your role, your goals, or that task you keep putting off. Let's dive in. Sometimes at work, you hit the wall. Maybe you're leading a project, but the direction feels unclear, or you need to prep for an important strategy meeting and want to stress test your thinking. That's where ChatGPT comes in as your brainstorm partner. Whether you're writing, designing, or prototyping, AI helps you move from a blank page to a working draft in no time. It's like having a thinking partner who never gets overwhelmed. Let me show you how. Try typing in something like, "Act as my brainstorm partner. I'm preparing a proposal to streamline our internal reporting process. Help me think through pain points, stakeholder concerns, and possible solutions." See the proposal attached. In seconds, it responds with a clear breakdown, surfacing friction points you might have overlooked, mapping out key stakeholders, and suggesting ways to simplify the process. You can then follow up with, can you also outline 2-3 potential next steps that I could pitch to the leadership team? And just like that, you're moving from messy thoughts to a solid plan, faster and with more clarity. It's like having a smart, objective colleague who's always ready to help you think better. Now you can tailor this to your preferences. Want it to challenge you, provide alternative perspectives, or respond in a particular style? All you have to do is tell it to. A common trick for all of our AI at Work use cases is to set these up as a project in your favorite AI assistant, such as Claude or ChatGPT. Use project instructions and you'll have a go-to specialist partner at your disposal whenever you need it. If you don't know how to get started writing a system instruction, here's a tip for you. Ask the AI assistant to help you write a prompt or improve your existing prompt for you. This is a great way to get you started with project instructions for your case and adjust it to your likings. Simply describe what you want to achieve, provide any limitations you want to apply, and add any personal preferences to style or tone of the output. If you want it to push back and challenge you, say so. If you want a motivational tone, tell it to be motivational. If you want it to help identify your blind spots, ask it to do so. So you got a spreadsheet full of numbers, but your executive team needs a story. That's where AI becomes your financial storyteller. You paste in your Q4 report and type, "Here's our Q4 financial report and budget versus actuals. Can you help me summarize the key takeaways in plain English? Explain why revenue is up 10%, which expenses ran over budget, and any risks or opportunities to flag for the next quarter." In seconds, you get a clear, executive-friendly summary. Not just what the numbers are, but what they mean. Now you can follow up with, "Great, now turn this into 3 bullet points that I can use as a starting point for the board update." Instead of just reporting numbers, you're telling the story behind them and helping people focus on what matters. It's like having a financial translator who turns data into insights. A pro tip is to use the Canvas feature in ChatGPT or artifacts in Claude to also visualize this. So you've got a long report, meeting notes, or a draft document, and you need to turn it into a slide outline fast. That's where AI steps in as your presentation assistant. You can type, "Turn this text into a 10-slide presentation with main ideas and speaker notes." It pulls out the key points, structures them into slide headlines, and even suggests visuals and talking points. Now you can follow up with, "Can you tighten slide 3 and suggest a visual idea for slide 4? And suddenly what felt messy becomes clear, focused, and ready to present. It's like having a deck builder on demand without opening PowerPoint. With Claude or ChatGPT, you can also ask it to actually create the slides, although not in PowerPoint. That's it for today. 3 powerful ways that AI can make a big difference at work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more practical AI tips. I'll see you in the next one.